Welcome back. We are still on the ChatGPT series, and of course, we are just getting started. So, yes, sit up and stay attentive. We are moving on to the next module, Getting Started with ChatGPT, where we'll be looking into setting up ChatGPT, basic operations and commands, and finally customizing ChatGPT settings. So, first up, setting up ChatGPT. Whether you're an educator, developer, or simply curious, ChatGPT opens a world of possibilities. First things first, let's ensure you're ready to start. You'll need a device with internet access, an email account, and a spark of curiosity. We'll cover setting up ChatGPT for various applications, from learning to development. Next, signing up for access. Getting started is simple. Head over to the OpenAI platform or any ChatGPT hosting service. Sign up using your email, and don't forget to secure your account with a strong password. For the developers out there, we'll also cover how to get API access for integrating ChatGPT into your projects. Okay, next is interacting with ChatGPT. Interacting with ChatGPT is like chatting with a friend who knows almost everything. Let me show you. For example, I will ask ChatGPT, "What's the weather like on Mars?" And within seconds, ChatGPT provides a detailed response. You can adjust response styles, lengths, and even save your conversations. Are we following? As for developers, fear not. Accessing ChatGPT through its API is a breeze. With a few lines of code, you can send prompts and receive responses directly in your application. Remember to authenticate your requests with your API key. Next up, best practices for interacting with ChatGPT. To get the most out of ChatGPT, clarity is key. Be specific with your prompts and don't hesitate to use follow-up questions. Keep in mind, ChatGPT is a tool, and like any tool, understanding its limits ensures the best results. Now, it's your turn. Create your account and explore ChatGPT. Experiment with different prompts. For our developer friends, try making a simple API request. The digital world is your oyster. Let me give us a take-home your assignment. Dive into ChatGPT with a project of your choice. Draft an email, generate a snippet of code, or let it help you write a story. Play around with prompts and settings and marvel at the results. Setting up and starting with ChatGPT marks the beginning of an incredible journey into AI's possibilities. Whether enhancing learning, streamlining development, or sparking creativity, ChatGPT is a gateway to the future. Continue to explore, experiment, and innovate. Are we good on that? Okay. Let us move to the basic operations and commands. This knowledge is your first step towards unlocking the full potential of this powerful AI tool. Introduction to ChatGPT's interface. Navigating ChatGPT begins with understanding its interface. Here, you type your prompts. This section allows you to customize responses, and here is where ChatGPT talks back. Tailoring settings can significantly impact the interaction, from choosing a formal tone to setting the length of responses. Basic operations. Entering effective prompts is an art. Start with clear, concise questions or statements. Watch as I ask ChatGPT to explain quantum computing. Notice the clarity and depth in its response. Understanding the response, especially the context and any limitations, is crucial for effective communication with AI. Next, understanding commands and special requests. I hope we are still together. ChatGPT understands structured commands, allowing you to shape its outputs. For example, write a poem about the sea in Shakespearean style. It's also adept at handling special requests, from generating code snippets to translating text. Let's see it in action. Troubleshooting common issues, encountering unexpected responses, refine your prompt, or add more context. If the conversation veers off course, don't hesitate to reset and start fresh. Remember, clear communication is key. Are you ready for a challenge? Use a set of commands to achieve specific outcomes, like writing a short story or summarizing an article. It's a fun way to learn the nuances of commanding ChatGPT. I will as well give us an assignment on the basic operations and commands. For your assignment, embrace the role of a digital pioneer. Use ChatGPT to complete a task that interests you, employing the commands we've discussed. The goal is to explore and create with AI, pushing the boundaries of what you thought possible. In our next video, customizing ChatGPT settings, mind you, it is still under this lesson, getting started with ChatGPT. Stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe, and if you have any question, channel them to the comment section.